In this video, we're breaking down whether the new roof work around your chimney in Los Angeles is done right or if it's just sloppy and risky for future leaks. So, here's the deal with roofing near chimneys. With flashing and shingle work are super important to prevent water from sneaking in. From what you described and the pics you shared, it sounds like the flashing might be stuck to the chimney but not properly integrated, which can be a red flag. The cricket, which is that little peaked area behind the chimney designed to divert water, shouldn't slope back toward the house, but it needs to push water away so it doesn't pool and cause rot or leaks. Also, the way those shingles are woven looks off. Improper weaving can let water slip under the shingles and damage the deck below. If you're paying for a warranty, keep track of this, because faulty installation could void it if you don't get ahead of the issues now. When you're chatting with the foreman, be clear that sloppy flashing and incorrect cricket angles aren't just cosmetic, they can cause serious problems down the line. Don't hesitate to ask for a second opinion or have a licensed roofing inspector check it out before you sign off on anything. One of the biggest mistakes people make with chimney roofing is ignoring flashing details. It has to be tight, layered properly, and sealed well to avoid leaks. Another common issue is a poorly constructed cricket that traps water instead of directing it away from the structure. Lastly, improper shingle weaving or nailing can create gaps where water can sneak in. To fix these, insist that the cricket be re-leveled to slope away from your house. Have the flashing redone or replaced with proper step flashing, and make sure the shingles are installed following manufacturer's specs for overlapping and sealing. BigHomeProjects.com is clutch for connecting you with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get your roofing done right without cutting corners. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a solid way to find new jobs and grow your business in your area.